Alright, let's take a look at how to shut down the machine. To shut it down, first, there's a break mode here. We tap it, then tap confirm. Okay, the machine is shutting down. This process takes about 10 minutes or so. After it has completely shut down, we cannot move it immediately. We must wait for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, the liquid inside the ink will have solidified, and only then can we move it. Otherwise, if the ink gets into our vacuum tube during the moving process, that'll be a problem and will require maintenance. Alright, the machine is shutting down. When the display shows the English word stopped, S-T-O-P-P-E-D, it means the shutdown is complete and we can cut the power. There's a switch over here. There's a switch here, right? It should be here, right here. We can also turn it off. Alright, it's shutting down now, so we need to wait for a while. Okay, when this appears, it means the machine software has already shut down properly. We just need to turn it off. Just turn off the switch and that's it. So how do we turn it on? To turn it on, we do the same thing. First, we turn this on and then wait. Alright, it's starting off, meaning it's heating. If it's an ink cartridge, it heats automatically. Turn it off, it stops heating. That's how you turn it on. Just now, that's how you turn it on. And for shutting down, we just do the opposite. Okay, that's how you turn it on and off.